Hey guys, I just got this in the mail and I wanted to give it a quick review. This is a secure cash drawer. It comes with 6 keys and it comes with a cable so you can plug it into your POS system. It can be controlled by the POS system to open it, so the instructions talk about when the POS sends the command it can open the drawer, or you can just use the keys to open the drawer, which is what we'll do today. So we've got, what we can do is we can permanently lock it by turning the key one way, or we can turn the key this way and it will open the key manually. Right in here, we've got 4 slots for bills, 2, 4, 6, 8 slots for coins, and then it has a removable spot with the hole in the front where you can put checks or larger bills or something like that you need in there. The drawer itself is nice and sturdy. It seems like it's going to hold up to any beating or anything like that. It's not going to be able to be broken into very easily. And it looks like it opens smoothly. It has a nice functionality. And I think it's going to do well for me. So another thing, it's got non-slip grips on the bottom here. You've got your plug, so you can plug it into the POS system. And then it's got a really nice finish, so it looks good, feels strong, and it functions really well. So right here you've got permanent lock. You've got it set so that it can unlock from the POS system, and then this is your manual unlock right here. And then we've got an up close of the drawer system here. So you've got your media slot there, the bill holders right here, and there it is. Here's what it looks like with a little bit of cash in it. You can also take your 20s or your larger bills and you can put them in here, right there. And then they're going to end up inside here, which is more secure, and perhaps it hides it from anybody who wants to steal.